Guys, today I will talk about market trends for the month of April. But before that, I want to clear something up because I see a lot of confusion about this. When you look at the market data and you see that the median list price is 1.198 and the median sale price is 1.1, a lot of people automatically assume that that means every seller is overpricing their home and every buyer should just offer 100,000 less. That is not how it works. And I want to make sure you understand this. Hi everyone, I'm Rosi Agopian, real estate broker with Beverly Company Luxury Properties, serving West Hills, Woodland Hills, Calabasas, and the entire San Fernando Valley and all over Los Angeles. Today, I'm going to break down the market trends for each of our key neighborhoods, area by area, and with real numbers, so you can see exactly what's happening right now in your market. Whether you're buying or selling, this is the information you need before you make your next move. Let's get into it. First, let me explain that gap between list price and sale price because this is so important. That gap is a market average. It includes all kinds of properties. Homes that needed work, homes that sat too long on the market, homes that had issues that came up during inspections, homes that were overpriced. All of those bring that average down. But here's the reality. A well-priced home attracts more qualified buyers and often leads to stronger offers, fewer days on market, and better closing results. We're still seeing that happen right here in our market every single week. So keep that in mind as we go through each neighborhood. The average doesn't tell the whole story. Let's look at each area individually. Calabasas. Active listings 116, escrows closed 19, median list price 2.6. Median sale price 1.930. Again, this is the month of April. Woodland Hills, active listings 271, escrows closed 57, median list price 1.549, median sale price 1.1. Tarzana, active listings 132, escrows closed 21, median list price 1.599, median sale price 1.242,500. Encino, active listings 265, escrows closed 46, median list price 1.99950, median sale price 2.350. Sherman Oaks, active listings 256, escrows closed 63, median list price 1.725, median sale price 1.230. Now, Studio City, 100 active listings 157, escrows closed 43, median list price 2.250, median sale price 1.969. We have Toluca Lake, active listings 33, escrows closed 11, median list price 1.149, median sale price 1.655. We have all these areas: North Hollywood, Sun Valley, Arleta, Panorama City, North Hills, Lake Balboa, Reseda, Winnetka, Canoga Park, Chatsworth, Porter Ranch, Northridge, Wanda Hills, Selmar, San Fernando, Pacoima, Mission Hills. So all over Panorama City. So all over the valley. So here's what all of this data tells us about our market as a whole right now. It means you cannot just look at a number and say, oh, I'm offering 100,000 less. No, It means we need to do the work. We pull the comps, the recent comparable sales in that specific neighborhood. We look at the condition of the home. We look at days on market. We look at how many other buyers are interested. And then we craft a smart, strategic offer based on real data, not a blanket discount. That is how you win in this market without overpaying and without insulting a seller with a lowball offer that gets rejected immediately. The Valley market is nuanced. What works in Calabasas may not be ideal for Encino or Woodland Hills or West Hills. Every home is different. Every neighborhood is different. Every situation is different. And that is exactly why you need an experienced agent who knows how to read the data and negotiate effectively on your behalf. Once a month, I'll be dropping a full market trends update for the previous month. If you want to stay informed on what the market is really doing, subscribe and hit that bell. And if you're curious about market trends in other areas, feel free to reach out. See you next month.